we do an accidental wheel spin here? Oops, I've taken traction off. Alright everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Now in today's video, as you can see, we're going for a nighttime POV drive. Now that is because I haven't actually been on a POV drive at night since we fitted these LED lights, as you can see in the footwells, which we did actually quite a while ago now. So I thought it's about time we go for one at night time, as we haven't been one with all these LED lights in here, as you can see, and they look so cool. Let's get the car on, let's get out and let's go for a drive. Okay, it's the very incredibly loud cold start, as you can hear. Okay, so if you are new to the channel and you're not familiar with the car we're in today, I'll put some pictures up for you, and it is a BMW 118i F21 edition 2015. And there is massive debate in the comment whether this is a 3 or a 4 cylinder. I have no idea. So yeah, this is the 1.6 turbo, has 135 horsepower, about that. 0 to 60 in 8.5 seconds. And yeah, we've done a load of mods to this, and more are to come as well. But yeah, if you don't know, I've got a exhaust fitted to this, as you could probably tell from the cold start. I've had the back box and the resonator taken out, cost me 300 quid. I've got someone to do it. Put the window down going through this section. Oh my days. Put in Eco Pro for the pops. Oh my god, that is so stupid. It sounds so good off the buildings. Thought he was going to run across then, Jesus. We will put it into Sport Plus. It is indeed. Probably after me, after waking everybody up in the town. Oh, Jesus, what's happened? That is not a good sign when you see 2 and 3. That is a third one right there. That is really not good. But here we go. This is where it doesn't really feel that quick, you know, 60, 65, 70. Down the gears. Through the roundabout. Alright, we'll have a look here. Okay, we're going 40. I'll count the numbers out. 40, 50, 60, 70. There you go. And that's all you're getting. We're going to have to do a tunnel run in this one day. Today won't be that day because the weather is awful. It's quite a fair way to get to the nearest tunnel to me, but we went through there in the Lambo, which you can press up here in the top right of your screen to see that video we went through. But we're gonna have to do it in this car one day, go through that tunnel. Back into Eco Pro. Right, tell me if you can hear this difference between Eco Pro and standard, right? There's a slight exhaust note. It's louder in Eco Pro, right? So we're in Eco Pro now. Can you hear that? When I put it into comfort then, the rumble completely went, right? I'll put the throttle on, leave it exactly at the same point, ready? Did you hear that? It literally got louder, bro. I don't know what, please someone tell me why it does that. Please, because it doesn't make sense. Like, why is it louder in Eco Pro? Surely it would be louder in the sport mode. Look, ready? So we're in Eco Pro. Comfort. Do you hear that, bro? What the hell? It literally goes quieter. I'm not leaving the throttle or anything. It's staying at the exact same point. Doesn't make sense, but I don't know. I don't know why it does that. Someone please, if you have that answer, tell me down below, because I have no clue why it does that at all. pops on the upshift. Alright, put it in Sport Plus. Should we do an accidental wheel spin here? Oops, I've taken traction off. Sorry, my foot slipped off the clutch there. That was an accident. It's so slippery. Oh god. My finger must have slipped on the traction button. Oh, I don't know how that's happened. I do apologise. That was very irresponsible of me to take my foot off the clutch like that. Wow. I did not mean to do that. Just saying. Did not mean to do that. Alright, anyways, we can just ignore it. Ignore it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I apologise about what you've just witnessed. That was a total mistake. But yeah, leave a like and subscribe down below. But yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.
Hop inside an Audi, then I hit the dash. Shawty know I only care about the cash. Big guns, big sticks, big rash. She asked me how I got it, said I got it like that. I get it when I want it, smoking marijuana. Keep it hotter than the sun, smoking till the sun up.